Harang pa yung malaking truck.
Nag-ano ng bus. Saan na sa taas? Kanang Skyway? Train? Yes. Hi guys! So,
Asan mo
nami
naging po sa
sa
IG?
sa YouTube. Sa Hiroshima.
YouTube jud?
Yes.
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 Subscribers.
Wala, uy, gamay. Ang good pang document lang man.
Document lang sa imong.
Yes, sa akong life. Sa experience.
So,
So-
sa naong wala lang naong ba?
Oh, char, faceless.
Ay, wala
So,
yung mga video.
We're walking here in Hiroshima City. We're going to the dome. So we're here in the ruins from the atomic bomb here in Hiroshima. So this is a shrine here. School trip, Unit 2. So we're here in the ruins of the bombing in 1945, August 6th at 8:40
AM. Something.
Yeah, something. So we're here in the ruins of the atomic bomb. So there's the ruin. So nice. So this is the ruin of the atomic bomb. And 0.5 na.
Kano siya?
1 daw.
Nice bitaw siya.
Ano day ba? Ay, dito ang Peace Memorial.
Ay, tura o.
Oo. Katong,
Paano ta dito ron?
yan. Ay, liko, taana. So, I'm here sa ruins of the A-bomb in Hiroshima. Gido. Jo. Kata daw Jo. Unsa na 0.5? 0.1 lang din para dili.
Point 1, oh, point 1.
0.1.
Yeah.
Sa Astoria man yan.
Bisaya.
So, na siya alarm system. So, dili ka pwede makasunod. Ha? Wala ka ba rin lang since then? I think so. Now we're walking to the Peace Memorial after the bomb.
3 go. Pa-stress ako ha. Mm. Mm.
Pwede na buyan.
Oh, sige. Taro nga tayo.
We're here and on the other side of the dome. So this is the Peace Memorial where they keep all the records of or books of all the people who died in the atomic bomb. We're going to Hiroshima Castle. Hi vlog! We're going to Hiroshima Castle, so we're walking to Hiroshima Castle. So this is going inside the Hiroshima Castle. So there's a river beside. And also here. And this is the way going inside to the Hiroshima Castle. So we're walking inside the Hiroshima Castle and it's so nice here. The weather today is sunny and it's starting to get hot. Wow, so nice. So nice here. Sorry, ganyan. Mahilig kasi ako doon mag-document ng life. Ito. This is the path going inside the Hiroshima Castle. Pwede kang So we're going inside the Hiroshima Castle and we're just paying for the ticket. This is the ticket and we're walking upstairs. Hiroshima Castle. So this is the first floor and you can see here the old Hiroshima. Artifacts. Sige, day. Mga roof tiles din siya, girl.
Roof tiles?
Okay.
Murag mo ni ginabutang sa atop day.
As in.
No?
Ay, katong sa murag ano niya. Dragon siya. Martian fish. Martian fish. This dragon, iyahang ano. Iyahang...
Sana day? Iron plate and nails from the Oragomon?
Rear gate. Sa ilahang gate siguro. Ano, ilahang ganun.
Sa likod day.
Ha?
Sa likod. Gagi.
Mga warriors sa una. Ito na rin photography. Siguro,
Babara na sa mga Korean.
o gani. Ay, town siya. Marshall City sa una. Town
The Hiroshima clan.
Oh.
G period. Ink of paper. Picture na to. Ito rin. Pero hold here, oh, na proper, oh.
Videohan ko rin mo.
Videohan ko ni mo ko. Wait lang. Video sa ta. Mas picture tayo.
We're going upstairs. We're going to the second floor of the Hiroshima Castle. This is Samurai House. Yan eh. Yan ang sa mga ano.
Nasa mga salida ba?
Samurai House. Dahil nato sa Japan dahil. Sorry. So kani siya, Samurai House. Mo ni iyang office. Char. Office niya. So this is where they put, this is a table and then individual table and then they put inside their meal and then this is where they cook. Gani, kanamura siya karwahe nga, ginaano siya.
Kago was a traditional use of Korea, especially for
So palankin, so tao ang nagaano. We're going to the last floor of the Hiroshima Castle. Going to the top view. So let's go. We're here at the top of the castle. Wow. It's so nice. Wow. We're here at the top of Hiroshima Castle. This is the view from the top. So that's the park where the Hiroshima Castle is.